Kumari, Research Officer, Juvenile Justice Secretariat, Patna High Court, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sakshi. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, Judge, Patna High Court, come Honorable the Chairman of Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, all Honorable Member of Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, all Honorable Judges of Patna High Court, Sri Binay Kumar, DGP, Bihar, Miss Margaret Guada, Chief, UNICEF Bihar, Additional Chief Secretary and Secretary of various Department of Government of Bihar, learned resource persons and all other participants who are present here or connected virtually. Very good evening, Pranam, Namaste. We have come to culmination of this one-day state level consultation program 2025 on safeguarding the girl child towards a safer and enabling environment for her in India. On behalf of Honorable Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, I, Nivedita Kumari, Research Officer, Juvenile Justice Secretariat, Patna High Court, take immense pleasure to deliver vote of thanks before this August gathering. It gives me profound pleasure in extending heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice J.K. Maheshwari, Judge, Supreme Court of India, for gracing the occasion, giving His Lordship's valuable time and insightful address before this August gathering. We are incredibly grateful to our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Ahsanuddin Amanullah, Judge, Supreme Court of India, for sharing His Lordship insightful and vibrating speech and making the event exponentially successful. We extend our sincere thanks to Honorable the Chief Justice Vipul M. Pancholi, Patna High Court, for gracing the occasion and for His Lordship's enlightening address. I convey deep regards and hearty thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, Judge, Patna High Court, come Honorable the Chairman of Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, for blessing us with his presence and His Lordship's illuminating speech. I am also thankful to Honorable Mr. Justice Mohit Kumar Sa, Judge, Patna High Court, come Member of Honorable Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, for His Lordship's valuable time and thought-provoking speech. My sincere thanks goes to Honorable Mr. Justice Nani Tagya, Judge, Patna High Court, come Member of Honorable Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, precious time in this program. I would like to thank Honorable Justice Srimati Gunnu Anupma Chakravarti, Judge, Patna High Court, come Member of Honorable Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, for gracing the occasion and giving color to technical session 2. I express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Saurendra Pandey, Judge, Patna High Court, come Member of Honorable Juvenile Justice Monitoring Committee, for His Lordship's valuable time, for being present in technical session 1 as co-chair and for summing up session beautifully. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Chaudhary, Judge, Patna High Court, for His Lordship's precious time and insightful vision on effective prevention mechanism. I express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Alok Kumar Sinha, Judge, Patna High Court, for His Lordship's inspiring words in technical session 1. We have been fortunate enough to have Honorable Justice Srimati Soni Srivastava, Judge, Patna High Court, in the technical session 3 as co-chair. So my special thanks to Honorable Justice Srimati Soni Srivastava for her Lordship's concluding remarks for this session. We are also grateful to all the Honorable Judges of Patna High Court for sparing their precious time and gracing the occasion. We are deeply honored to have with us distinguished speaker, Honorable Mr. Justice Ashwani Kumar Singh, former Judge, Patna High Court. Lordship, we extend our sincere thanks to you for your valuable time and discerning and thoughtful words which have deepened our understanding of the current topic, safeguarding the girl child towards a safer and enabling environment for her in India. We are also incredibly grateful to all the esteemed speakers, learned resource persons, Ms. Margaret Guada, Chief UNICEF Bihar, Sri Banku Bihari Sarkar, Child Protection Specialist, UNICEF Bihar, Sri Binay Kumar, DGP Bihar, Srimati Bandana Priyasi, Secretary, Department of Social Welfare, Dr. Amit Kumar Jain, ADGP Bikar Section, Sri Prashant CS, Director, Panchayati Raj Department, Government of Bihar, Sri Sameer Saurabh, DDC Patna, Sri Anand Kumar Asthana, Child Right Lawyer, who have shared their valuable time and gathering, and it was an enriching and inspiring experience for all of us. I also like to thank Sri Suresh Kumar from Bal Mitra NGO Patna, along with the two champions. Both champions have come on the stage and shared their journey against violence they suffered during their past life and how did they come out of and started normal life. My sincere thanks to Dr. Abhay Kumar, UNICEF Bihar, for beautiful PPT presentation on status of girl child. We also would like to express our deep sense of gratitude to three more champions, Rosni Parveen from Kishanganj, Pooja Kumari and Gulab Shah, who have come on the stage and have spoken their journey and success story before us. Rosni Parveen has been recognized amongst 5 champions at 2023 Young Activist Summit in Geneva, Switzerland. She has rescued more than 50 children from child marriage and now she deserves a big round of applause. Today's program has been organized in collaboration with different departments of Government of Bihar and UNICEF. So we would also like to acknowledge Department of Social Welfare, Department of Health, Department of Education, Department of Panchayati Raj, Rural Development, Women and Child Development Corporation, Bihar State Legal Service Authority for their generous support, contribution, also in terms of fund. Your contributions have been instrumental in making this program a success. A special word of appreciation to Srimati Rachna Srivastava, Additional Registrar, Juvenile Justice Secretariat, Patna High Court, who has worked tirelessly behind the scene. I also like to say a special thanks to all the team of Juvenile Justice Secretariat for working day and night, and their meticulous planning, hard work, dedication, attention have assured smooth execution of this program. My big thanks to the technical support team of Gyan Bhavan for ensuring that our session ran seamlessly, and also to Information and Public Relations Department Bihar for live telecast on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook, and print and electronic media for wide coverage of today's program. Your expertise and dedication are greatly appreciated. I also would like to thank Hotel Moria, Patna for catering service, and staff of Court Officer Office, Patna High Court, and also of Gyan Bhavan, and to Sri Bineet Kumar, Event Manager, for their excellent service and hospitality. Your efforts have made everyone feel comfortable. Before I conclude the vote of thanks, I want to speak my own writing on the topic female feticide, which is very relevant at this juncture. मुझे भी हक है आने दो इस दुनिया में, मत मारो मुझे माँ तुम अपने गर्भ में, नहीं बनूंगी बोझ किसी पर, मैं स्वयं अपना रास्ता बनाऊंगी, नई चाह है नई राह है, उड़ान भरने का मन है, मेरा भी जीवन अनमोल है, मुझे भी हक है जीने का, मत मारो मुझे माँ अपने गर्भ में, आने दो इस दुनिया में, आने दो इस दुनिया में, प्लीज़ माँ, माँ प्लीज़। A special thanks to our participants for active engagement. Your presence and contributions have enriched the discussion and made this event a collaborative success. Lastly, we thank each and every one of you present here or connected virtually. We hope that the knowledge gained today will have a positive impact on all of us today. Thank you once again, and we look forward to future opportunities to come together and make a difference. Thank you all. Have a wonderful evening.
ऐसी ही और खबरों से हमेशा अपडेट रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।